happened? Are you okay? What do you mean you don't know? What happened? Are you okay now? Are you sure? What happened to you?
Rahu? She did this to me! She's a powerful witch. Abigail, are you sure about this? Abby, relax. Maybe it was something else.
I know how I felt! See, we need to be very careful around her. She's dangerous.
Calm down. Abigail, we all know Erama. Erama is a nice person. Why would she do something like
that? Fine. If you both don't believe me, that's okay. But mark my words. She's trouble.
Abby, it's not like we don't believe you. It's a
Get
ram.
out! I know what I saw. Gosh, because
the angel I have loved, you are the best thing that has ever happened.
Killian, I just want to say goodbye.
You're one of the finest on campus. Trust me.
I know. I know it all. And you are not the one supposed to tell me. Anyway, what is on your mind and why did you call me here?
Oh, you do? I really like you. And I was wondering if you can be my girlfriend.
Kusi, you are sweet. So sweet. But unfortunately, I cannot handle with someone who is practically bedridden.
What? What are you talking about? Like, I'm not a bedridden.
You are. Kusi, you are a bedridden. And you know, you are always cooped with your books and your quiet life. It's like you are allergic to excitement. I can see that.
Yes, I thought of that, but...
Because you are really great. You are a great guy. But the thing is, you are not my thing. You are not my type of guy. Nah, I cannot be with somebody like you.
Yes, I thought of...
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go.
Hey, Mbappe! Killian! Mbappe! Killian! You are saying I'm a bedridden. But I'm not a bedridden. Killian! Oh gosh. You made me feel emotional. Killian! So emotional. I'm a bedridden. Thank you.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love. That's where I want to go.
Why not?
Why not?
Hey, madam, I beg you. I don't want to put myself into any trouble again. Please, let me go in peace. I beg you.
But you are not trouble.
You are not trouble. You yourself, you don't know.
No.
You are a troublesome human being. I don't want to engage myself in those kind of troublesome issues again. Give them go.
I have something to tell you.
Me? You remember the last time I relate for myself. This time around, I don't know what can happen. So I beg you, let me go. I was coming to you by the place I saw you guys. Me. I should come.
Yes, I can go next. Come.
Me. Sure, you need more wear hand than you give me.
It's such a weirdo. I'm scared.
That was so funny.
Angel, the angel I have loved. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Oh,
honey, what is eating you up? You've been thinking of late. I've asked you so many times. Tell me, what is really going on, please?
Well, babe, you know how much I love you, and I wouldn't hide anything or keep anything from you on any given day.
Why? Are you hiding anything from me?
Not what you think. Well, let me divulge this news to you. It's all about my son.
Jemfi, what is wrong with him?
Oh, it's not about Jemfi, our son, but my son.
Your son?
Yeah.
Honey, you are confusing me.
You know what? I had a son.
You had a son?
Yes.
Where?
With another woman.
When? How?
The son was born 2 weeks after I met you. Or before I met you, let me say it that way. It's not about what you are thinking. I said this child was born, and after 2 weeks, I met you. And the circumstances surrounding this is all about the fact that I was told the boy died in 2 weeks' time after the birth.
So you are now finding out your son is dead or what?
His auntie came in to inform me that he's still alive.
What?
And I found it difficult to tell you about it. I had wanted to find ways and means to handle it and then to let you know, knowing the kind of person that you are, that it will shock you and maybe something else may happen. But I thought it wise to hold on to it, like I said. And this is the appropriate time to tell you. Let me say it emphatically. This boy was born before I met you. She came around to tell me that this boy is still alive and that the sister asked her to hide it from me.
So why is she now telling you?
That's what is wondering. And I just don't know what to do. And to tell you straight on, I thought it's wise to hold on to it till an appropriate time. And lo and behold, here you are asking me. And it's all about how you will take it if I should tell you that I have a son. So let me plead with you. He is my blood. And like I said earlier on, the circumstances surrounding his birth is something which I couldn't take it lightly. And for which reason I haven't been able to tell you now. So, babe, let me plead with you. He is my blood. And I've asked the mother to bring him home so that I introduce. What? Oh yeah, He's my son, of course.
You introduced to who?
You,
my
of
kids?
course. You and the kids as well.
Which they knew nothing about it.
Even you, being the mother, doesn't know anything about it.
Which you didn't want me to know. Why are you now telling us?
Oh.
I've been asking you of late. Baby, what is wrong? What is wrong? But you refuse to tell me what is bothering you.
The harm has been caused already. We can't reverse it. So just take it lightly.
My kid's going to take this.
They wouldn't say anything if you accept the boy. After all, he's older than they are. And he will be someone that we can.
Babe, don't try to justify anything.
I'm not justifying anything.
They are older than him, please.
Please, bear with me.
Judy called me to her office today.
Okay. What for?
She said I should represent the school in the national quiz competition.
You are lying. I'm really up for you. That's good news. Congratulations on that one.
Yeah.
Hey guys, why didn't you wait for me? I texted you earlier on. My phone is off. So what's up?
Actually, Stanley and I were just talking about what Madam Judith said. She wants me to represent the school in the quiz competition.
Ooh, that's big! Congrats, Rama.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you, though.
What are you two whispering about?
It's just... No, fine. Wait, he said he has something to say. That's good. What's it?
Yeah, so...
Akuntanyo ko. Hey, boga one. Na ay, start for bag kuntabia ma. And what the shop to mu? Me disikani nyina egu lolly cash account no so. Oh yeah, Judy. Me be spread mu mamu sro. Me be anya afa na me ha me $100 bebre egu me bag mu. Na yakobisa me se sika me de koye den. Ma load ni nyina egu me lolly cash account ni mu. That's right. Enti se me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanom a me tua free mu straight. Hey, baby a lolly cash app na dru no. Na chere se wo dollars no egu wallet mu. So to ade wa Ghana haremu a ensese besides sa pepepe ti se me kwa brochire a me sika ni nyina no me lodi gu me lodi cash account no so abrochire baabi a me wo bia no ade bia me pe bia me timi to na app no a convert sika no akọ country ni sika no so na me de adu me dwuma inti America, Canada and Europe countries na lolly cash app no wo so no sa app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar say Canadian dollar say India for sika e bia app no convert mami enti transaction is simple kra lolly cash app no guy pa account na etisika no etemu sa no entetew dabi lolly cash account de yentew se de ebi no mo ye no ulo de atumu a bibia ni mu no ne ati bibi kakra mi be wie no ma send bi aba mu na me de akontan so de akon account mu ama no thank you account hon ma inkin ko ho enti obia and download the lolly cash app no e wo Google ana Apple Store number start and send sika and mama busha for no na for no e wa mono ne ba bia lolly cash 24/7 send sika.
I need to go back to where I came from.
What are you talking about? You are leaving?
Yes, I need to go.
Wait, does it mean you've regained your memory?
Yes, I have.
Rama, listen. I don't want you to go. What can I do to make you stay?
Sana, there's nothing you can do. I just have to go.
Enchil, the angel I have loved.
Wait!
You are the best in.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah, I have to.
We understand, okay? Take care.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right. No one gets to stay, Sana. Forever itself is not forever.
Oh, and just love,
His soul is one. What if it changes everything? I do like her though, but I think I would want to do something more. But does she even feel the same about me as the first day? Maybe I should.
Stella? What is it?
It's nothing actually.
You look troubled. What is bothering you?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, Stella.
See, I don't want you to go. Like, ever since you came, I feel okay, and now you want to go. It's gonna be boring.
I wish I could do something about it, but it is what it is.
I could tell Auntie to let you stay. You don't have to leave.
Whew. Don't worry, you'll be seeing me around.
How? I just saying that to make me feel okay, you know.
Trust me.
I don't want you to go.
Just cheer up. Can I see you smile?
Can't smile.
You won't smile.
I don't want you to go. Would you stay?
You
can't. It's fine. It's fine. Since I think I'm gonna get to see you, I'll just go back home. And I'm hoping you change your mind.
Don't you see me around? Trust me on that.
Just hope you change your mind. That's what I'm saying.
Go ahead. Bye. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, if you say so, I've heard you. I'll think about that.
Cheer up. Said you've seen me around, so obviously.
Fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You don't look cheerful.
Alright,
let's go inside. I need to talk to you.
Soul is one.
Stella, give me a few minutes of your time. There is something I want to discuss with you.
And what is it about?
I didn't even know how to go about this. I didn't even know what to say. It is about your father.
What are you saying? I know my dad is already dead.
No. Your dad is alive. Your dad is very well and alive. And he stays around. He stays at the next suburb.
My dad lives in this
vicinity, yes.
And you never told me about that.
Don't blame me. Your mother made me promise never to disclose the identity of your dad to you. And I had to honor the dead.
This is never fair. It's not fair. How would you bury of knowing my dad?
The dead cannot be blamed. like I said, I couldn't keep this anymore. I had to tell you. I know this is a shock to you, but I want you to take time to assimilate the fact that your dad is alive.
I know this is too much for you.
It is.
I would want to know he's dead like that.
No, don't say that. He's very much alive.
How do you misunderstand he's alive?
Easy, boy, easy. I couldn't keep it to myself anymore. I wouldn't have been fair to you at all. Wherever your mom is, I pray she forgives me. Stand up!
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my.
Is everything okay with you? You lost your money on bet again.
No, that's nothing.
You seem lost in thought.
I'm fine. I'm just thinking about stuff, but not bet.
Are you sure? You seem off.
I'm okay.
You say so?
I need to take this. Hello? Got it. I'm coming.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. I just remembered I need to go do something. So I'm heading out.
Okay. Are you sure? Is everything fine with you?
Yeah, I'm fine. See you later.
Tenfi!